Traditionally, the jack-o'-lantern was created from a turkey or potato and lit with a burning lamp of coal or a candle. These lanterns represented the soul of the departed loved ones and were placed in windows or set on porches to welcome the dead. They also served as protection, for example, against evil spirits. Turnips were not easy to find in America, so the pumpkin was used instead.
There are many stories and legends about the origin of jack-o'-lantern. The most popular tale is that of an Irishman named Jack. Always being drunk and mean, Jack got so intoxicated on Halloween that his soul began to leave his body. The devil saw an opportunity to claim a victim and came to the earth. Jack was desperate to avoid his fate, so he begged the devil to allow him one last drink. The devil said fine, but said that Jack would have to pay for his drink because the devil carried no money. Jack claimed they only have a sixpence left and asked that the devil took the shape of a sixpence to pay for the drink. Then, that paid, the devil could change back to himself.
The devil considered the request reasonable and changed himself into sixpence. Jack immediately grabbed the coin and put it in his wallet, which had a cross-shaped catch. The devil was unable to get out and began raging and cursing. They then made a deal that the devil would be released if he agreed to let Jack alone for 1 year. The devil agreed, and Jack promised to change his behavior over the next year.
It wasn't long before Jack slipped back into his mean, drunken ways, and the next All Hallows Eve the devil appeared to Jack and demanded his soul. Once again, Jack was desperate to save himself and did so by pranking the devil. He said to the devil that he made one of the delicious apples and winked in a tree nearby. He offered to allow the devil to climb on his shoulder to reach the apples.
Once the devil was in the tree, Jack pulled out a pocket knife and carved it across in the trunk. Then the devil could not get out of the tree. Furious and desperate, the devil offered Jack 10 years of peace in exchange for freeing him. Jack demanded that the devil never would bother him again and he would be freed. The devil agreed. Jack then returned to his old ways, but before the next Halloween, his body could not enter it, he passed away.
He was turned at the gate at Halloween because of the malicious weight of his life. The devil summoned him at the gates of the hell, saying that he didn't want to see him again and told him to return from where he came. The help Jack received on his journey, the devil threw him a burning lamp of coal from hell. Jack put the piece of coal inside of a turn, and it has been Jack's line on his eternal wanderings ever since. The protector himself from Jack on All Hallows Eve jack-o'-lanterns were placed on the porch and in windows in hope the Jack's world takes the life it needs inside of birthing and of